So it's called a Christmas crepe. And on 25th December, we try to make a crepe and depict something to the people. Okay, so the main message is for the people like we all are united. And second thing, like we all come together. It's like a family. Okay, we all come together to make this crepe. So show the people the happiness. So we started end of October and we finished on 24th December. It's like own creativity what we have. We never think like we don't copy from the internet something, but it's like whatever we feel, like our own ideas we put up. Okay, so this is one of the palace, like where we just try to depict one of the palace. So this is the material, the palace one we made is of the thermocol. So it's like a waste material which was thrown out. So like we just try to manage with that. So like the material we use normally is like waste. So even this was thrown out with the tiles fittings and like they have the tiles, the boxes of the thermocol. So this is one of the palace we made of the waste bottles, the pack bottles like the soft drink, the bottles of the dew, then the Coca-Cola bottles. So my friend works in the hotel, so he used to get the garbage of the bottles. The Kingfisher's pack bottles, the small ones. So that is one of the palace we made. So they used to go to the first one. There was no wells, there was no tap. So like the people used to go to drink the water on the rocks and all. So they had a waterfall. So we depicted one of the scene from there. It's like a traditional waterfall where the animals used to come to drink the water. So everything is of the mud and the water and the stones. Everything is natural. We have the fields at the back. We have put a motor at the back, and so the water we have pumped it through the motor. At last we have come to the main point. So this is the main crypt where Jesus is born. It's like a traditional crypt we have depicted, and so we can see it's like this is the Mother Mary, this is Joseph, and we can see the baby Jesus is born. So it's like baby Jesus is not born in a big palace, but he's born in a house where there was animals. Jesus didn't have a place, like he's born in the so much simple, in the simplicity. So it's like we are showing the people that Jesus is born in a simple manger over here with the animals. So why can't we be so simple? So let's be simple to give a message to the people. It says like there was no buses, nothing, there was no transport for Jesus. When Mother Mary, she was expecting, so she was traveling. She didn't have anything like a motorcycle or something, car to travel. So Joseph bought the Mother Mary on the donkey. So we can depict a donkey over here. So you can see the donkey over there. And this is the shade where cows are there. So Mother Mary gave a birth to Jesus in a cow shade. So whatever we have, let's share with the people to giving a message to the people.
My name is Parisha D'Souza. We were helping for this script too much day. I love this script too much to help. That's why I was helping this script.
So she was like a part of it, like every day, like when people used to come, like the people used to get confused which way to go, to come this way or to come that way. So she was the guide, like to guide the people.
Doso tuzo bauduka dilya kam kandeni saba Jesu tuzo maktawada waitata unam kaniva Ayok Jesu naman tuka ya tuam Jesus